To automatically show or hide camera cutout when opening a specific app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap camera cutout. Next, select the required app you like to set the camera cutout as auto. As the example, we will select camera app. Next, find camera app, or you can find an app quickly by tapping the search icon at the top right, and then type the app name. Tap camera app and then select auto. By selecting this option, now when you are opening the camera app, your phone will decide whether to show or hide the camera cutout area to give you a better visual experiences. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.